Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Valorant error code VAN79. So while playing the Valorant game and you encounter the error message, Valorant error code VAN79, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to completely close Valorant in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task manager, click on that. Maximize the task manager window. Then here we need to look for the Riot client or the Valorant. So we have here the Riot client Valorant. Make a right click and then select end task. And then look for more right here. And once done, close the task manager window and then open the Valorant game as to see if the problem has been fixed on your case. The next method is we need to check the VGC service if this is running or if it has stopped running. So in the Windows search bar right here, type services. Click on that under the best match. And simply scroll down at the V section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. You'll find VGC, make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, you have to click on Start. And if this is already running, you have to click on Stop. And then start it again to restart the service. Apply and then OK. The next method is we need to locate the Valorant desktop icon. Make a right click and then select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Now here the Valorant properties will be up, which has General tab, Shortcut tab, and the Compatibility tab. Now we have to stop here at the Compatibility tab and you will find this option. Disable full screen optimizations, check that. Run this program as an administrator, check that, and just uncheck this. Click on Apply and then OK. And then launch the Valorant app this time. Then you also need to reset the network. So click on the Start button. Go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Network and the Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Then under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. Click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So you have to click on the Reset Now button and then you have to click on Yes. But make sure to remember that you do not forget your Wi-Fi password or Ethernet password. So once you have clicked on Yes, your PC will be restarted and after that, connect to your network and then open the Valorant game. Then we also need to make sure that the Windows is updated. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. And simply click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once done, just simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows and launch the Valorant game. For the final method is we are going to run some commands in the command prompt. So type CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then type here NATSH space WinSock space reset. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.